On today's episode.
Is your whip bulletproof? I'll be the tester. Test that shit out like a damn semester. Walk up in the club, had to change the weather. Put that bitch out, she's probably seeking shelter. They asked me what I want, I said I want forever.
We got the bike out, we got the helmet out. We do got the orange fox gloves out. The helmet, you see the orange? I don't know what it is, but I've been digging orange a lot lately. They're not even worn down yet, but it's gonna get there.
So I just pull this up.
Yeah, you gotta take that off, buddy. Bobblehead game.
That really throws me off, I'm not gonna lie.
We finna go ahead and try my drips once again. I'm not that good at it. Do appreciate everybody for tuning into the video. I got some more clips coming.
That's more money right there.
I need the max win.
The trails we made out here is crazy, bro. Never mind.
That's the first one.
This was standard mode. This was sports mode. All right, reset. Gotta be careful coming around these corners, gang. You don't know who pop around the cut. Let's go, bro.
They asked me what I want, I said I want forever.